Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do some deck repair. You guys were asking if stuff can be repaired. Claude's working on a John Deere that the whole hinge part fell right off. Most people would look at this and walk away from it, but we fix these all the time. So this is what we have in the shop right now. A Husqvarna, a Gator. Outside we've got Snapper, MTD. But this morning we decided we'd try to get this deck done. I'm not showing the whole process because it would take too long, but you guys can get the drift. You got to get it cleaned up. You got to get good contact. Everything had to be bent back the way it's supposed to be. You got to get something to weld to. Couldn't believe how much paint was coming off this deck. Claude does this a lot, fixing decks. The biggest thing is trying to get it as true as possible, because if you don't, the hangers aren't going to fit right and the deck's not going to hang right. So we're going to be using the wire feed today. We're going to go with the 220 here, but it's too hot. So we end up going to my 110 that brought it out here. I think with the wire feed you have more control with temperature ranges on thinner decks. He does a great job. There, now all it's left to do is just do some grinding and it's as good as new. On that note, you guys have a great day.